My daily food choice. I was born and raised in the Philippines, where food plays a central role in our daily lives and cultural celebrations. Our meals are often enjoyed at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with snacks in between. Filipinos take great pride in preparing home cooked meals, and our love for gatherings means that cooking is a frequent and cherished activity. For breakfast, I typically enjoy a simple yet satisfying meal of bread with butter and coffee. On some mornings, I choose for a heartier option of rice, eggs, and steamed vegetables as it's quick and easy to prepare. During lunch and dinner, traditional Filipino dishes take center stage. My favorites include chicken or pork adobo, pork sinigang, and various fish dishes. I also make sure to include fruits in every meal for a fresh, healthy touch. I remember my parents making chicken porridge during stormy weather, a comforting food that always brought warmth and nourishment on rainy days. What do you observe? Yes, we love rice. Our country consists of thousands of islands surrounded by abundant waters. The good soil, producing many products, and water teeming with countless species. Traditionally, many Filipinos' occupations revolve around farming and fishing. Food is readily accessible due to the rich natural resources available to us. In honoring the legacy of our ancestors who carefully preserve our heritage and culture, I continue to uphold their values by choosing local products such as rice, meat, and seafoods. Aside from cultural background, I consider the price of food plays an important role in my daily choices. I tend to choose food that fits within my budget, and yes, price is a major factor. For example, when shopping at the market, I considered for more affordable products or those that are on sale. For example, chicken meat instead of the pricier beef. Also, items that are high in price but nearing their expiration date offer a great opportunity for me for budget saving purchases. So, this helps me to stretch my budget further while still enjoying quality food. I would say that price is more influential than my cultural background when it comes to food choices. I prioritize what fits within my budget over cultural preferences, focusing on affordability rather than traditional food choices. Even in the future, price will remain the most important factor in determining what to eat. Economic issues such as inflation and unemployment make price a constant concern, often taking priority over other consideration. Thank you. This is Chessa Gonzalez.